Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Advaita V, and today we'll be talking about some of the most common fashion mistakes which people commit. Now, this particular video has always been there on my list, and finally we are shooting it today, so I'm damn glad to share all of the common fashion mistakes which I've seen people do. So, without wasting any time, let's go. So, the very first fashion mistake which people do is not wearing clothes which fits them properly, or which fit them properly rather. So this shouldn't be overlapped with the concept of thin girls wearing oversized or things like that. I'm not doing any kind of fat shaming here. But what I mean to say is that over everything, our comfort is what should be the most important, and we should be basically mingling with our own outfit and feeling the most confident in it. So I'd always urge all of you to look for the niche in which you look superb, you look stunning, because ultimately, believe it or not, the way you style increases your charisma, your confidence, and the way you present yourself to others. There is an impression which you can put over people by the way you style clothes, and as a result it is very important to look appropriate for any kind of occasion. So I would always suggest that please look for your niche. Please go and find pieces which truly fit your body type well and flatter it. Mistake number 2 is wearing outdated clothes. Now I understand there is like a inseparable relation of us with our own clothes. We do not like to throw them away even if they are out of style. But what I'd suggest you is that the clothes get worn out after a particular period of time. So you need to essentially understand that fact and cultivate the latest trends of today. Say suppose there was a time at when skinny jeans were at peak, but now we can't even see 30% of the population wearing skinny jeans because first things first, they do not look much flattering. I mean, that's the worst fashion thing which I guess ever came into existence. That is skinny jeans. Even today, I'm wearing wide-legged jeans and sitting because that's a style, and you need to incorporate it as you pass by. It can't be that skinny jeans for something. Okay, chalo. We were wearing skinny jeans back then, and this is my favorite skinny jean. It fits me so well. I'm not gonna leave it. It's fine. See, being in your comfort is good, but try to stay in trend so that you look top notch. It's good for you. So guys, the next fashion mistake is to probably not have the perfect hair length which suits you or the perfect haircut which suits you. Now this is such an underrated point. I mean, I saw none of the creators getting information on this particular topic. So see, the way your hair are, I mean, I understand that all hair textures are beautiful, and I'm here not commenting about any kind of hair textures of you guys, but it's very important as to what kind of length suits you. So I'd suggest that if you have time, if you have money, go explore with a lot of different hairstyles. Sometimes keep it short, keep it medium, keep it long, and figure out for your own self that in what thing do you nail the best. Say for example, if I talk about me, I have a hair type which goes from like wavy to curly pattern. So as a result, you can see most of my western outfits, in most of them, I pair it with a bun because my face is small, and that's what really sculpts it well. And I just don't like the feel of that hair texture, and this is how you have to actually discover as to what really suits you and not being a crowd follower. Okay, so the next fashion mistake about which I'm going to talk about is really elevated by many people that I see, and it is wearing printed. Upar bhi, niche bhi. Here also there's print, here also there's print. Everywhere print, print, print. Please don't do that because it just doesn't look good. I mean, just imagine आपके पूरे शर्ट पे सितारे सितारे, ठीक है? Each and everywhere there are just stars lying, and in your pants everywhere there is moon. I mean, I understand the fact that it's cute, but only till you do not step out of the house. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. In your home you can do any freaking thing out, but when you step out, it's very important for you to understand that how do you conduct yourself through the crowd. And the last but definitely not the least fashion mistake, I wouldn't say it's a mistake, but it's a kind of pro tip for all of you guys, and that is makeup can be a real game changer. All right. So even if you're someone who is not much into makeup, there are no makeup looks available. I have made myself a video. You can go here and check that out. I'll tag it. So please incorporate yourself into wearing makeup, and see, it just can't be that if neutral makeup suits on a person, on you also neutral makeup will suit. So it is very important for you to explore as to what you look the best in. All right. And I understand fashion is all about exploring various vibrant things in life and adopting various styles. You definitely can do that and shine. So guys, we are close to the end of today's video. I hope you gathered some knowledge from here, and I'm sure that you would carry them forward in your fashion wardrobe. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye my precious gems and keep slaying. So yeah guys, that is it for the video, and do forget.
Oh my god.
Do forget, okay? Do forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget.